Hi everyone, I want to tell you all about the Coinneal Cowl today. This cowl is designed to mimic bluebells, and it took me a while to find the right stitch pattern and kind of combination of different stitch patterns that go together, and I'm really happy with it. So it's Life in the Long Grass skinny singles, and it is got just a lot of drape to it and just flows basically when you knit with it. So I've found this stitch pattern that really looks like a little bluebell, top of a bluebell, and I've paired it with these little twisted stitches that look like stems coming up. So you have a little stem with a bluebell stitch on top, and these alternate through in series, and you start with garter stitch and you finish with garter stitch. Now, the actual stitch pattern itself, I've got lots of hints in the videos on ways of working it, because one of the difficulties with this is there's a lot of stitches knit together and then you're increasing them again. When you knit that many stitches together, it can be kind of tricky. So I've got a few tips that have really helped me as I worked my way along. One of my favorite parts is actually the elongated stitches, with those ones that are wrapped several times, and then you drop them down to create these lovely elongated stitches. This took just over one skein of yarn. I think it was 115 grams or something along those lines. As you can see, it's very deep, so it's designed to be worn as a really deep cowl. It's actually long enough that you can put it up the back as a hood as well. So it kind of does double duty that way. If you want to make a smaller cowl, you can leave out some of the repeats. It'll work just as well. Obviously, it's not going to work as a hood being used that way, but the cowl itself should work very well, even if you shorten it up a little. So if you get to a certain stage and you're like, that's deep enough, that's what I want, then just stop where you are and do your garter stitch finishing. So enjoy knitting it and enjoy wearing it.